now. Coming
Yeah.
in. You go very slowly. They won't grasp at you, but then at the very last minute they probably will. Okay. These are biters, these guys. They're biting a lot. Just don't bite my skin off. Okay. Okay. Let me just get over here. I think what I'm going to do is, just to make it a little easier for me, take this off. All right, and Barbara, we're going to go with black over green 05 over AZ.
05 over AZ.
Yep.
Both upright?
Both upright. And these bands are just used for identification so that we can observe the birds from a distance and tell which one they are. And they're riveted on.
This is like a kid getting a haircut. He's squawking, but he's not being hurt at all.
Yeah.
Just take a look at the bird for a general health inspection. Okay. And what I'm going to look at is for the presence of lice. And the bird has a little bit of feather lice. A little bit of lice, Barbara.
Okay.
But nothing too major. The feathers are just starting to emerge. The wings from tip to tip will eventually be 3 feet once he's fully developed in about 3 weeks from now.